G'day, I'm Troy from the Cranes Department here at BJ Hydraulics. I've been a diesel fitter for 8 years. Worked on anything from earth moving gear to trucks to ag. Here at BJ's we do servicing, maintenance, overhauls, diagnostics and testing of your cranes. We do anything from Palfinger, Hiab and Maxilift and much more. We're currently doing an overhaul on a local electrical company, which is the part in the background, the boom. Strip it down to every little nut and bolt, track test it, sandblast it and respray it, and then reassemble, replacing any worn parts in the process as well. Here at BJ's we provide a reliable and honest service and really enjoy what we do. If you want to book your crane in today, you can ring us or visit us at 37 Winton Street West, Dalby. Thank you.